Farmers, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when next we drop a new content like this for you. Welcome back to our Addota Farm. So we are starting our goat farming. As you can see, we have a lot of land here. So if you want to go into goat farming, tying your goats down or keeping them in a house is not a good way to rear goats. You know, goats, they like grazing. They like going out to eat, take some food, eat grasses, and eat fresh things. That is what goats like. That is why I do like to advise you, if you want to go into farming, be ready to practice free range, because that is what goats like the most. So they like free range. Goats don't like being in prison. They like freedom, going out, doing different things, play around, run with each other, flock together, play together. That is what goats like. So here we have about acres of land. And as you can see, this place is a fenced area. So you see there's an edge there and a stream there. We have a fence there. It's the farm is fenced with iron bar. All these are iron fence. So that's what we use to fence it, so that our goats won't escape when we keep them inside. So here they can eat whatever things, we are going to feed them with other fruits too, but at least to reduce the cost of our feed, our goats will have the chance to take grass. So once they eat grass, the feed we'll be bringing to them will be little. So you get, so we fence the area so that they won't go more than this area. That is what we call free range. At least your goats, they will be able to move within a very a fenced area. So that is free range. So, and we also have house there for them. So this is our goat house. So whenever time they go out to play, whenever time they go out to eat, and rain starts, one nature of goat is they don't like rain. They don't like water. If you see goats, if water starts, you will see goats. They will be running to where they will hide for a shed. They will run into a place that water won't touch them. So we have their house here. So whenever time it's raining, the goat will actually run to hide in this place. And in the night, they will be able to come under this place to sleep, to rest. And when it's sunny too, goats don't really like going into sunny. When it's sunny, they don't like going out as well. They would like to hide in a under shed, so they will be able to go inside and rest. So this pen, like I said, is 30 by 100. So we want to bring different goats here, like 100 goats to this place, so that they can stay, along the way. They will be giving birth to younger ones. So all those younger ones, with that, our goats will be multiplying on this farmland. So that is all we want you to know about this. So if you want to go into goat farming, please, if you want to practice free range, make sure you fenced your land. So after fencing your land, so you do what? You make a house. After making a house, then you bring your pigs, your goats inside. So you keep them inside. They will be able to graze, they'll be able to eat and do other things together. So thank you for watching our videos. Like we always appreciate. Don't forget, keep on subscribing. We really appreciate that. We are going to be happy if the subscription keep on going, and we promise we will never fail you, like we are doing from the beginning, and we are making a promise to you that you won't regret watching all our videos. So thank you for watching.